Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the spot ready. Wash, clay, and dry so the clear bonds. You want no oils or grit. Sand repaired or glossy areas with 800-1200 grit to create bite. Feather the edges to avoid a ridge. Once done, mix the clear coat exactly to the manufacturer ratio and strain it. This prevents bubbles and clogs. You're acting now to create an even base layer, so load your spray gun or nozzle and test spray on cardboard. You'll apply the clear using steady, overlapping passes. Keep the gun 6 to 10 inches away and perpendicular to the panel so coverage is uniform. Move at a consistent speed, overlap each pass by about half to avoid striping. This controls thickness and reduces runs. Apply 2 to 3 wet coats rather than one heavy one. Let the clear flash for 5 to 10 minutes between coats so solvents begin to evaporate. If you see thick edges, slow your stroke and blend them out immediately. You finish by letting the clear cure properly. Ambient temperature and humidity dictate 24 to 72 hours for full solvent release, so don't rush polishing. If the surface has minor orange peel or dust nibs, wet sand with 1,500 to 3,000 grit, then polish with a medium to fine compound until glossy. Make sure to clean and inspect between steps to avoid trapping debris. If you get solvent pop or fish eyes, let it flash longer and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.